Here on this door, we're using a GPDR method. A lot of people see something like this when they're shopping for dent repair. It doesn't just take all the dent out, but we're using Keco's Crease Killer setup with their dead center crease tab here. And how this works is you massage the dent. You can see all that movement in the panel. This thing is very powerful. And I will show you when I get it off what you're left with. Like, we already did a pull there and you can still see the dent there. It doesn't take all the dent out. There's multiple pulls that need to be done, along with bringing the metal back down into shape as well. There's still metal working involved in it to make it brand new again. And being that we're working on this gentleman's 2019 Tesla Model 3, we want to make sure that we get his car back to as new as possible for him. These are all aluminum vehicles. Aluminum's been around for quite some time, so we've been working on them. We're just learning about all of Tesla's braces and everything. And I usually go down through the door here, but there is a large brace here. And then there's actually some bracing right in this area too. So I'm starting with the GPDR method.